Hi, I'm Jeff Woods. I'm the market development leader from GORE Associates, and I'm really excited to be talking about one of GORE's newest capabilities, which is our tethered drone cables. This capability really came out of looking at some of the issues that we see today with some of the drones that are out there, one being security, the other being the short battery life and the ability to stay operating for extended periods, especially from a smaller drone like we are illustrating. And the number one focus was really coming up with a capability that was going to be reliable for both warfighters on the military side and for first responders or even commercial use that required a tether to support their drones. So we ended up really focusing on the lightweight aspects and the durability and the small form factor for the cable. What that does is it allows you to make a lot more system trades up front, which then allows you to take advantage of that lightweight for deciding which sensor you want to use, which payload you want to use, what altitude you want to operate at. And really for all of those purposes, whether it's for ISR, whether it's for electronic warfare, or whether it's for communications, the higher you can get is obviously allows you for a broader, deeper vision into a threat environment, for longer line of sight communications, or for electromagnetic spectrum usage. So this cable really allows you, with its fiber optic and dual power capabilities, allows you to stay elevated for essentially as long as you're supplying power from the ground, whether it's using directly from a battery on the winch system or from a generator. It essentially allows you to keep this unblinking eye in the sky, which is really a huge asset to anybody on the ground. Again, whether it's commercial or whether it's military, you want to have that reliability, and that's what we really focused about.